guys, I'm Ornella with Web3 TV, and today I'm covering the Forex Expo in Dubai. Joining me here is Cameron, the head of distribution at Laser Digital. How are you today?
I'm very good, and you?
I'm good. Glad for you to join me. I want to learn a little bit more about what you do at Laser Digital and your role.
So Nomura has stepped into the crypto space recently. They had a VC arm that was their digital office. It got spun out as Laser Digital. We are based here in Dubai as well as Zurich and an office in London. We've got three verticals. One is VC, looking at pre-seed, seed, Series A in the full crypto vertical. Anything that we find interesting in crypto and Web3, we'll look at tickets anywhere between $500,000 and low single-digit million. We've got an asset management business based in London and Zurich. You may have seen in the news recently that we launched a Bitcoin adoption fund, which is a long-only Bitcoin mutual fund based in Cayman, really going after the pension funds and real money guys that are out there. And then I sit here as head of distribution for the trading division, where we're launching an institutional-only OTC business, as well as on-exchange market making and a prop desk as well.
Okay, lots of going on. You have the mutual fund, you have the VC fund. Okay, so let's zero in a bit more on your role in the trading arm, and how do you see Laser Digital's role within the greater landscape, given now post-FTX climate and maybe the risks that your investors are feeling? Like, how do you manage that?
Yeah, it's a question we get a lot. Even pre-FTX, counterparty risk was everything in this market. Big institutions were essentially not able to scale up what they wanted to do in the crypto space because they were fearful that the counterparties they were sourcing their liquidity from would default. You know, counterparty risk is everything. We've entered the space really offering a pretty unique counterparty risk profile to clients. You know, we are part of Nomura Group, 100% owned, and that really starts to move the needle, not just for the firms that are trading crypto already and are looking to improve the quality of counterparts that they're trading with, but also the guys that haven't made that decision yet, that are looking for the right kind of partner in the space for liquidity.
And what kind of future would you like to see when it comes to crypto and Web3? Like, what was it? What was it that got you into it, and where do you see it going?
That's a great question. I think in general it will form part of an overall portfolio, whether it is, you know, mum and dad's pension fund or a younger guy that tries to trade and wants to have some kind of risk asset that he has some exposure to, as well as broader based institutions as well. I think an ETF is going to maybe move the needle a little bit, but I don't think that necessarily gets Joe Public into the space. I think it's how easy you can get a wallet onto people's phones, you know, how easy you can make it part of that broader portfolio. And we're starting to see some interesting firms solve that piece of the puzzle.
Can you give me any examples?
That would be telling, but there's some really interesting tech out there now that you know, everybody has a smartphone. You know, more people have got smartphones than bank accounts, which tells you the direction of travel for where crypto's going, right? Fiat money is almost being squeezed out in some parts of the world by the fact that people don't have access to traditional banking rails, but they do have access to a smartphone.
And since we're here at the Forex Expo today, just wondering what you want to get out of it and what your mission is.
We're here speaking to a lot of institutions that are looking to source spot and CFD crypto liquidity. You know, that's part of our remit, and this is part of the market that serves a lot of underlying retail flow, which, although we serve only institutions, you know, it's a big market segment for us to break into.
And any final thoughts on the crypto markets that you want to share with us? Maybe a forecast?
A price target? No, I think the development that we're seeing in volumes within the options market is getting quite compelling. You know, I don't think we're going to be down at these levels for too much longer. We've got the halving as well coming in next year, so I think it's upside from here.
All right, you're optimistic. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Cameron.